Alright, so I think this is gonna be my second video that I upload here on YouTube. First things first, my name is Elizabeth, but you can call me Ellie because it's way shorter. So I think from now on I'm just gonna introduce myself as Ellie. And as you know, or if you don't know, if this is the first time you're here, hello. I am not a makeup artist. I'm a fashion designer for a living. That means I am not a professional makeup artist. And yes, that means it's gonna be a makeup tutorial. And for today's video, what I wanna do is me being the person that I am, that I'm never on Pinterest. That's a lie. I just was scrolling down yesterday and I saw a picture of Angelina Jolie and the title was "The Worst Makeup of the 90s." I'm like, she looks so ugly and she's beautiful, so what's going on? So for today's, what I want to do is recreate 90s makeup. And if you're from the 2000 or 2000 something and you're a teen, you know what the 90s was the worst decade in my opinion. And I was a teen, so I didn't play much with makeup, just with lip gloss, because that's what we were doing here in Barcelona at least, and eyeliner under on the waterline. And that was it. No mascara, no anything. That was what was my 90s. So what I want to do is recreate that makeup, but try to make it a bit more beautiful. I don't know. So if you wonder about my lips, this is the lip injection by Too Faced, because I was just wanted to live my Angelina Jolie fantasy that is never gonna happen, because look at this. So if you wanna go from this to hopefully something better, just keep on watching. Alright people, so as always, we're gonna start with the face. And for today, I mean, on the 90s we didn't have primer. We survived in the 90s and mostly the 2000s, early 2000s without primer and without eye primer. And we're here today, so it's not necessary we don't use primer, but I'm gonna be using this Glow On Oil Volume Base by Etude House. It looks like this. You guess what primer looks like? I can do like a dupe primer video if you like. Alright, for foundation we're gonna be using this CC cream from It Cosmetics. This is in the color Fair. I know just grandmas and moms use this brand, but I love It Cosmetics foundation. So I guess I'm a mom, grandma, I don't know. We're gonna be using a flat brush for the foundation, and I want to use this new Sephora milk brush that I bought the other day, and I'm so excited to try it. And so, wow, it packs a lot. Now this foundation is a bit more coverage than the ones that I use, but I like it because it stays all day. Now for concealer, we're going to be using the Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer from Catrice in the color Light Natural, and it looks like this. Super affordable. Love it. I'm gonna just go over my scars. My pimples are not like activated right now. That's something cool. And I know that I talk about my hormonal pimples on my first video, and if you want to see an update or what am I doing, just let me know. Time for powder. On the 90s I didn't really use powder, but since we're kind of amending the things that we did wrong on the 90s, I'm gonna be using powder. I'm gonna be using this new brush from Milk as well. This for highlighter, but yeah, no, I'm gonna use it for powder. I'm gonna be using this Laura Mercier. This is a small set. It's a translucent loose setting powder. I don't know why this is yellow. I have also a translucent one, but like white. Alright, so contour as well was not something that we had on the 90s. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 2 sticks from Rihanna. This is in the color Mocha, and this one is on the color Amber. One is more warm, and the other one is more on the cool side. They look just like this. And I'm just gonna mix them on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna be taking again another of the brushes that they have come with. This is the Cream Sticks brush. I am excited about. Now for blush, I used to use a lot of blush. I don't know if I was the only one, but I'm gonna be using this NARS Orgasm liquid blush. Looks like this. It's a very natural blush that I just spill all over my shirt. Great, Ellie, great. Well, I pretend it didn't happen. Just gonna use the same brush that we were using right now. Okay, so for today, for eyes, we're gonna be priming with Rihanna, with Fenty Beauty primer pro filter. I'm gonna do one eye first. I'm gonna do the other eye off of camera, as always. Using my finger to blend it. So for today's, we're gonna be using 2 palettes. One I already used the other day. The other one, I'm gonna be using it today, together with the other one. And you're gonna be like, why are you using the same palette that you used in your previous video? Okay, I'm gonna be using the same one because palettes are to use. It's not just for one look, you can use it for many looks, and these are old ones but still in good condition, and I love them. Sometimes we forget we have things like this. I'm gonna be using matte Matrimony and Meet Matte Nude, and we're gonna start with Meet Matte Nude. Or Meet Matte Matrimony. Yeah, let's start with Meet Matrimony. We're gonna be taking Matte Rosy. It's this one here. This is gonna be our transition shade. I'm gonna pick it with a blending brush, a very fluffy one, just like this. I'm gonna go all over it. Now with another blending brush, but the more precise one, something like this. We go again to Matte Rosy. Now we're gonna get the other palette, the Meet Matte Nude. We're gonna be taking Matte Abdul, which is this right here. Same shade, we're gonna go on the lower lash line. We're gonna take the first blending brush we use, and we're gonna be mixing Matte Abdul with Matte Rosy. So what I do is I dip once here, sorry, and once here, and again and again and again, and I mix the 2 shades. Okay, with a flat brush like this, we're gonna pick Matte Hang. Is it the name? Matte Hang, yeah. It's from the Meet Matte Nudes. It's this one here. We're just gonna be placing it all over the lid. with matte Malloy, which is the white one. Now we're going to be dipping into matte Hang and matte Johnson, which is this blue here, this one here. First with matte Hang on the outer V. Again, the eye looks and the lips on the 90s were very simple, almost like monocolor, so you don't want like cut creases and stuff. Just trying to make a very smoky eye with a bit of definition. Now matte Johnson. Okay, so we're gonna do the eyebrows as always. I'm gonna be using my pen seal that is €3 and it's from Etude House, the same brand that we used the primer before. Again, it's in the number 4. It's a gray, and we're not gonna do much because eyebrows were not a thing. Okay, so for liner I'm going to be using this Sephora waterproof color pencil, and then I'm going to do a wing liner off of camera, and I'm going to add some lashes, and I'm going to do the other eye, and I will be right back. Alright, so the other eye is done, and what I have done to the other eye as well has been using also Sephora eyeliner on the waterline. Then I coat my... No, first I use my eyeliner, the liquid one, the MAC one. This is the black brush stroke liner, and it's really cool. It's really easy to use. Then, sorry, just my lashes. Then I coat my lashes with this light camera lashes from Tarte, this small one, and then I apply some Argel Not Free tapered medium black clusters, just in the medium one. So that's what I have done on my eyes, and now it's time for lips, and then we're gonna do our hair and our clothing, and we're gonna be done. So for lips, what I used to see a lot in the 90s was lip liner, and they were not shy with it, so I'm gonna go with the House Laboratories pencil. This is the Rip lip liner. Then we made matte lip liner, crayon, the color Rule, I guess. First I was quite disappointed, but I love it. Next up is going to be the Revlon Matte Ultra Matte Lip Color in the color Eternité. I'm just going to put it on the center. Right, to give a bit more of an edge look, I'm going to take one eyeliner brush like this, and this is from Zara Ultimate UM04 lipstick. And last step but not least, the House Laboratories also Attitude lip gloss. Make it a bit more 90s because we loved gloss on the 90s. I'm gonna go with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk. Alright, time to set the face. I'm gonna be using my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Looks like this. I have hairs from my dog in my mouth. Okay, so now it's gonna be time for hair, clothing. Alright, so I already have done my hair as I could because someone broke my GHD, so sorry, but I have curly hair, so I tried to straighten it the way I could. And I just changed my clothes, and this is the finished look. As you could see, it's just like a very simple smoky eye with a bit of blue, gray, and as you can see, the face doesn't have much because this is what 90s was all about. And the picture, I wanted to show you that it to me was super funny, and I wanted to kind of recreate this one. So she's just having like these shiny lips and like shadow till almost the brow bone and very thin eyebrows. So yeah, if you like the worst of the makeup from the 90s, just please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you learned something. I know it's a very simple makeup, that's all I want to do, so you guys can do it at in your home. Just a little bit of shadow here, a little bit of shadow there, and bada boom, you have it. And so if you like it, I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.